guys, welcome back to my lovely channel. So today I'm here to do a really exciting unboxing. So by the title you'll know what it is, but you guys, this was on my 2021 wish list for that I made for myself. So if you guys have not seen that video, I will link that video down below so you can see what else is on my luxury wish list. And of course at the end of the year I kind of like go through it and see like what I did get, what I didn't get. But yeah, this is one of the items that's on my wish list, and this one's really hard to find. So when I did find it, I was like, oh my gosh, thank goodness. But yeah, you guys, before we get started with the video, if you are new here and you clicked on my video, hey girl, hey, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you join my fam, because I'm doing my 2,000 or 2K giveaway as soon as I hit 2,000 subscribers. And from that point on, I will continue to do giveaways as long as I hit like bigger milestones. And also, you guys, I do giveaways on my Instagram as well, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will leave link everything down below in the description box. And yeah, before we start the video, you guys, I wanted to say really quickly to my seasoned subscribers, I love you guys and thank you so much for supporting me. I really appreciate you guys. Like, y'all talk to me on Instagram and everything. Like, I feel like we're like this, so it's really fun, you guys. But yes, before I start my videos, I'm gonna do my little quote, so let's get started to that. All right, you guys, this quote reads, I don't know who needs to hear this, but you are seen. People are watching and listening, appreciating what you're doing. Your struggles will have its rewards. Keep grinding, keep being authentic, keep speaking your truth. Don't give up, because you're not finished. So whatever you're doing, keep going, girl. You got this. Before we get started with the unboxing, okay, I want to give you guys a little backstory on this bag. It's so funny to me. Okay, so technically this bag I have seen obviously for a while. When you see what it is, by the title you already know, but you're like, either people love this or hate it, like literally hate it. And I'm gonna be truthful with you guys. I was one of those girls. I hated this bag. Okay, I was like, well, that's dumb, because I already have the pieces that go to it. I was like, that's just a gimmicky bag they just put together with a strap. Okay, but you know, it was funny because I don't know what we were looking at, but my husband's like, that's kind of a cool bag, like it's like a utility bag looking, like kind of like I don't know, it's just like a unique bag. So I was like, let me look at some videos on YouTube and see. And also like on Instagram, I was like researching forever and ever, and I was like, you know what, I'm actually starting to like it. Like, it looks like it's worth the price, because if you calculate everything out, you do kind of spend about the same or a little bit more, because their prices are always changing. But when I was like, I'm not a fan, like I really wasn't, you guys. This was one of the bags I literally like despise. I was like, I'm never getting that bag. I think it's such a ugly bag. And it's just, like I said, I have the pieces that kind of go to it already. So I was like, what's the point? Well, not all of it, but I do have like, I just was like, no. Okay, basically no. You guys. And then I was doing my research and everything, and I was like, you know what? He might have been onto something when he said it was a cool looking bag. Like, it is pretty trendy, but all the pieces from it are very much established and is not going anywhere. So yeah, it might be a trendy looking bag, but I feel like a lot of companies are doing this. Like Prada has one, Dior kind of has that guitar looking strap that you can buy for their like saddle bags and whatnot. So I was just like, okay, you know what, let me just look at it and see. So when I went to Louis Vuitton last, when I got my other bag recently, I was just like, you know what, it was on the mannequin thing on the top, and I was like, that's kind of cool looking. So I was like eyeing it, and I was like, whatever, you know, I still was not interested. But then when I saw it in person, I was just like, wow, that is really cute. Like, I really liked it. So this one obviously come with two options for straps. You have the khaki. I don't know why they call it khaki, because it's a green. It's like a dark, like I don't want to say a moss green, but it's like a dark green. Okay, and then the other one is like a pink color. It's like gosh, I'm gonna have to look up what the name of it is. I will link everything down below. So I was like, I love pink, but I was like, I can't get pink because it's gonna get dirty. My kids, like, I have kids and they're gonna be touching on it and stuff. But then when I saw it, and I was like, wow. And if you look at all the YouTube videos on here, you guys, I'm gonna be one of the few people that's gonna have this rose clair or the pink color. Everyone has that green khaki color. I was gonna be one of those girls. I'm like, okay, that's it. I want the green one, whatever. The pink one is so extremely hard to find, by the way. So it was really hard to talk to my sales associate and then like be like, okay, do you have this? And she's like, yeah, I have it in the green, which I had, you know, I saw that they had it for a while. So when I saw it on the mannequin, it was the green one. And then she's like, oh, we have the pink one in. Do you want to like, I'm gonna put on hold. Obviously they're not supposed to really put on hold for like days, but she did for me because I'm obviously been working with her for a long time now. But yeah. So I was like, when I saw it, I was like, my mind was already made up when I went in there. I was like, I'm getting the green one. It makes more sense. I'm a mom and it's like a darker color. The strap, you're always going to be touching it. I went in and I saw the green one. I was like, let me just see the pink one. When I put the pink one on, it was a done deal. It was a done deal. I absolutely loved the pink. But okay, so the catch here is, you guys, I know I'm talking a lot, but I'm trying to give you guys all the information I feel like a lot of people don't give. So if you guys like the pink, I would suggest to buy the pink because listen, you can buy the khaki strap later. Louis Vuitton sells the khaki strap, a black strap, and like a macadamia color. So I feel like a lot of people mistake the macadamia for the rose clair. That's not it. Okay, so you cannot get the pink color that goes to this bag without buying the bag. The khaki one you can get later on. So that's why I was like, okay, I'm gonna get the khaki strap later. Like I do want to have both straps just so I can have two options, you know. So I'm gonna purchase the khaki one later. I know I really can't get this pink one, this exact pink one. Like I can't buy it extra later on, so I'd have to buy the whole bag. I'm like, why would I need two bags? So I'm like, okay, I already know I like the pink. When I seen it, I was like, okay, that's a done deal for me. Seal the deal because I want the pink. It just makes more sense to me. But yeah, I feel like a lot of people don't say that. So you guys, if you're debating on the pink or the khaki and you're kind of like, I like pink, go with the pink because you can always buy the khaki strap later. So yes, I know y'all witnessed the unboxing. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to give some information like I really didn't see on videos. So here we go. Okay. Oh my gosh, when I put this on Instagram and everyone's like, I want to see what it is, I was like, can y'all guess? And that's few people actually guessed it correctly. So yes. Oh my gosh, of course we all know this beautiful orange bag and the blue handles. Okay, so my receipt, okay, so they give you option now to where like, well, it's always been like that, but I always got the paper receipts, but now I'm like, I'm not getting paper receipts, just email it to me. So now I have them emailed to me because I feel like paper receipts will fade and stuff. So my receipt is in my emails and I got this from my Scottsdale Fashion Square mall at the Louis Vuitton boutique. So yes, here is the box. I do have this. It just has like the this is where your receipt's supposed to go, but it just has the client advisor. Here's the Vuitton, the client advisor. It's not gonna show up, but that's what it is. So yeah, it's empty because I don't have my receipt, like I said. Nothing else is in there. But yes, you guys, I'm excited. So I have not touched it. She boxed it up, obviously I saw it, so I'm like, it's not gonna be a huge surprise because I already know what it looks like, but let's see what if I have the same reaction as I did in the store. Oops, I just dropped that. It's okay. So we're gonna put this back here. All right, y'all, and it's like a magnetic one, so just in case you don't know what Louis Vuitton packaging looks like. So yes. All right, are we excited? Okay, I'm gonna put this down. I'm just gonna drop everything. Okay, whatever. So here is the dust bag. Are we ready? Are we ready? Okay. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. Okay, here's a little sneak peek. That pink is so pretty. Okay, so on camera it's more of like a nudie color, but like in real life it's a pretty pink. Like right there is a good pink. It's like that. It's a beautiful pink, you guys. Oh my gosh, I forgot that. Okay. I know a lot of people are upset that they're not getting like each dust bag for it, but like I feel like when the store, they just put it in one dust bag. So I'm one of those people that did not receive the dust bag that goes to each item, including this. So you should have 3 dust bags. I just got 1. It's okay, it is what it is. But oh my gosh, you guys, do we not love her? Seriously, I am obsessed with this look. So I kind of figured out how to put the well, she kind of showed me how to put the little stripe up here in the store, and I was like, okay, just leave it like that because it's pretty unique. I haven't seen a lot of people do that. I'll show you guys mod shots as well. So for reference, I'm 5'4" and I'm about like 115 to 118 weight. So yes. Oh my gosh, you guys, Obsessed. Okay, let me tell you guys, I am so excited. So when I see these review videos, I hardly see anybody having a made in France. Guess what? Your girl got a made in France finally, right? I'm like so tired of these. I mean, no offense, you know, but supposedly it's like the same material, but I'm like, I'm paying you so much money, like I want one that's made in France. Okay, but yeah, you guys, here's a close-up of her. I'm like literally obsessed. Okay, we don't know how to figure it. Okay, there we go. I don't want to mess it up, but here, if you guys don't know, this is a little bit bigger than a mini pochette. This is supposed to look like the Pochette accessoire, but it's bigger than that. I believe it's bigger than that. I don't own that one. I had that mini pochette. I can kind of compare if y'all want to see. Here's the mini pochette, and here is the other one. So it's a little bit bigger. Again, you guys, this is an unboxing. I will do a complete review on this as soon as I get to using it. But yes, Louis Vuitton. I want to show you guys the most exciting part to this for me personally. Made in France. And here's the day code back there, and there's nothing on the other side. But yeah, I'm super excited. It's made in France. Okay, pocket here, which has my thingy to it, multi pochette accessoire in the rose color, and this is the coated fabric, high leather trim. If you guys don't know, you don't know my channel really, I rave about how much I hate, and that's a harsh word, but like I literally do not like the Vachetta. So that was one of the reasons I was like, oh, I can't do this bag because I hate Vachetta. But you know what, it's okay, it's small pieces. Even though I feel like you're gonna be touching this a lot, I'm gonna try to see if I can figure out a way. But this one has Vachetta on here as well on both sides, but other than that, it's okay. So yeah, it's a pocket inside of there, and then this one has no pockets, and then mine just says right there, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France on that tag. Some people have a tag and some people don't. I wonder if it's only a made in France one that has a tag, because I don't know. I thought I've seen people that don't have a tag, but nothing on the other side. No pockets, just an empty situation. Let's hear the zippers. That was a little wonky, but that one's like really, well, it's not that wonky, but here, the zippers right here. I'm kind of trying to keep this video short. Louis Vuitton right here, Louis Vuitton right here. And then the strap, of course, that's Louis Vuitton with their little symbol thing. And guys, this is so cute right here. I always wanted one of these coin purse or coin purses or coin pouches, whatever. I've always wanted one of these. I never got a chance to get them, and I know that they stopped making these. I have not been able to, unless you do like a I know like they had the Christmas collection one, they had one of these. So I think they have them like limited edition ones, but not like one you can buy. So I'm really excited for that. So this one's so pretty. You have the big LV right here, and then you have the small LV right here. Oh my god, I can't believe I didn't like this bag, you guys. Thanks to my husband, and he's the one that's editing it. Thank you. Because I was like, did not like this at all, and then he made me like it, and I was like, oh yes, let me look into that. But yeah, again, it says made in France, but nothing in here. It just has these little rivets kind of to make sure you don't lose your change. Of course, I'm not gonna put change in here. I don't carry change. I might put my cash in here. I don't have AirPods, so like a hair tie or something like that. But yes, you guys, it's so stunning. So I'm gonna get you the mod shots right now. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed those mod shots. I kind of toned down my lighting so you can see the color better. I feel like it's showing up a lot better. Again, you guys, mine is in perfect condition. I know I've seen a lot of videos, well, actually not a lot, but a few videos where it's like been wonky, like right here and like I don't know, in between these, but mine is super perfect. Like I could not ask for a better item. Like seriously, I'm obsessed. Like it is perfection. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So yeah, this is basically it, and I'm gonna do a whole entire video on the review once I start using it. And on top of that, I will show you guys different ways to use this and different ways to use this bag without the strap, and put it on like my other bags with this strap as well. So I'll show you guys everything like that as soon as I get more use out of this bag, and I can give you guys a review. So we'll do that one I don't know, in a little bit. So basically, yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not, and join my fam because I really appreciate it. But yeah, follow me on Instagram as well, and let me know what you guys think about this bag. Let's have a conversation in the comments. I'm always talking to you guys. I will link this bag in the description box of the Louis Vuitton website. It's always out of stock. So if you have a CASA, reach out to them and try to see if you can find it if you do want it. Again, this strap I would suggest to get instead of the other khaki strap, because you can always buy that khaki strap on the side. So yeah, and I feel like a lot of videos have not said that or mentioned that, so that's one of the things I found out. So yes, you guys, I'm super excited about my purchase, and I'm so glad to have this in my collection, and I'm so glad to scratch it off my 2021 luxury wish list. So yeah, I'll leave that video down below too so you guys can see that. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye, y'all. You guys, I don't know what else to say. Hi. That's my son popping in. I'm making a video. Hold on. Uh-oh, my lights, don't do that. That's his little hand. Okay, close my door.